right, here we are, 43 Fowler Road here in North Stonington, the home being set 200 feet off of the low traffic location. We have something really special right here, but let me get you oriented to this property. We've got frontage that is 300 foot essentially. Left side line is 625 feet. Right side line is 894 feet on 4.25 acres. Detached 2-car workshop for you. This workshop has 10-foot high ceilings. Love the steel beam right here. My hot dog heater, that provides the heat to do work here in the winter. There is a wood stove right here. We do have water run to this spot. That does get winterized. Might as well run up and give you an idea of a little bit of storage that we've got upstairs here before we go into the main house. There you go. How's this for some storage? But what's nice about this particular home, taxes are $5,075 a year. We are a 3 bedrooms. First floor bedroom is on the primary bedroom is on the first floor. And we've got a nice private setting. You do not have really just wintertime view through the woods. Home to the south. We've got a little bit of a carport, if you will, underneath the deck right here. Walkout, lower level. Might as well show you something special in the back here. Being rural, one thing that's nice to have is a standby generator. My well is right here, but I've got standby generator right there. 5 seconds, you've got your power refreshed right there. So let's get you through this home. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Total square footage is 1,680 square feet. I love the detached garage right there though. That is something that's really special. Main entrance, I'd recommend probably putting up some type of railings right here on these steps. The sellers have never felt that. We'll get you that side entrance, take you in the front entry, which hardly gets used here. Wood siding, classic salt box with bluestone entry. And one of the nicest things about this home, I've got to say I was attracted to it day one when I got here. Being built in 1986, I love these beams. And how is this for a modern kitchen? Gas-fired range right there. We've got granite countertops. Your beautiful view. You can see what's going on in the driveway or workshop. Tile floor right here. My side covered entry is right here. Dining room is open to the living room. We'll give you that deck view right now. Shed way in the back right there. Architectural shingles, massive center chimney. You can see the beautiful fireplace right here. We've got brick exposed on the other side in the foyer, which you'll see. So my not formal, it's just my living room, family room. Primary bedroom is right here on the first floor. Look at the size of these boards. These are almost 20-inch wide floorboards. Soft pine. You do have the little deck that connects. Nice upgrade that you might want to do to the home, a refresh, would be probably freshen up the primary bathroom here. It does have a Corian countertop, but I would update the tile. Maybe put in a new tiled shower with the modern colors, linen closet here. This door is closed off. Here's my closet. If you need a home office, we've got you covered. Right here to my left, which is the right front corner of the home. Great home office. Doors down in the basement. Like I said, here's my front door, and here's my stairs down. We'll do that last. These stairs go up to the second floor. 2 bedrooms. Bedroom 2. We have eave storage. Nice closet space right here. Both bedrooms are pretty much symmetric. Pull down stairs to get to the attic up there. And this bedroom actually, I'll take back the symmetric part. This bedroom's a little bit smaller only because you have bath tube taking some space out of the bedroom. As you can see, tub shower right there. Dead center right here, front yard. Got one more level to show you. I would definitely get your showing scheduled. This home with the detached workshop will not last. So, stairs coming down, dead center. Little room right here. This used to be a washer dryer hookup right there. That's been abandoned, and I'll show you why. We've got a modern 200 amp service. We've got the detached building with the sub panel out there, generator, transfer switch right here. This is an old electric hot water heater that's out of service. Looks like we have 4 zones, but we don't. We have 1 zone that's connected and dedicated to the indirect hot water heater. This indirect hot water heater gives you basically unlimited hot water because our modern oil-fired burner, which is Rialo burner, and the boiler will put 100% of the heat back into making domestic hot water. So, parking right underneath the deck. If you don't want to walk from the garage. Right here we've got the washer. This happens to be a washer-dryer combo. And right behind this piece of furniture is my 275-gallon oil tank. This door goes outside right here, as you can see. So 43 Fowler here in North Stonington. If you want a quiet location, if you want a detached 2-car workshop which has heat and water run out there, here's the home for you. Schedule your showings today.